Okay, first we are going to create two shape keys. Just go to your shape keys panel, create a base shape key for the neutral shape, just in case if we make mistakes. And then the second one is the one that we are going to modify. So rename it whatever. As you can see, I'm renaming it talking. So I'm gonna try and mimic a talking mouth. So after done that, tap to edit mode and make sure that your proportional editing is activated, and then select a point, and press G. If you use a straw wheel, you can see it's increasing the radius of a circle and also the opening of the burger. So after done that, tap back to edit mode and then go and increase the value of talking shape key. As you can see now, when I increase it, it's make a talking mouth, because it's what I wanted to do. So after done that, guys, you can tweak along, move meshes around just to make it more realistic and more catchy and more likable. You can do whatever. You can select your proportional. As you can see here, I'm dragging point just to make it move as if when it's opening, some letters and everything, it's moving around. Okay, so now it's time to create our rig. So we're gonna add a bone in our scene and go to our bone properties tab. Under viewport display, I'm gonna select in front. So after done that, I'm going to parent burger with the bone. So I'm gonna select a bone, and I'm gonna select a burger, shift select a bone, control P, and then I'm gonna parent the burger with the bone. So if I rotate a burger, a bone, you can see here the parent is successful. So after that, I'm going to select a bone, tap to edit mode, and then I'm going to duplicate the bone. As you can see, now I'm moving it on the side, and then I'm going to scale it down just to be a right size, so that I can tell it's a second bone. And then after done that, I'm gonna parent my second bone with the first bone. So the duplicated bone, we're gonna parent it with our first bone. Done that, now everything is easy. You just duplicate the second bone and move it along the axis and place it in the right positions or in the right place that you wanna put it. So yeah, guys, we've created our rig. This is our base rig. So in the second video, we are going to combine our shape keys with the bones that we've created. So yeah, make sure you watch the second video so that you're gonna get the idea of the shape keys or the idea of the drivers. Thanks for watching.